Horrifying history. The Great Molasses Flood. In January of 1919, an enormous molasses tank burst in Boston, releasing nearly 2.5 million gallons of molasses, creating a 35-mile-per-hour tidal wave that reached nearly 15 feet tall. This unexpected disaster tragically claimed the lives of 21 people, injuring 150 more and causing significant destruction to buildings and houses, leaving a lasting impact on the city. The cleanup took weeks, and the sickly sweet odor of molasses lingered in the air for years, haunting the residents of Boston.